You may now take your seat. What are you going to do if your teacher is speaking at the front? Yes, Julianne? Listen carefully. How about if you want to say something? Yes, Olive? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. Those are examples of classroom rules. I have here our classroom rules. I will read it first, then you will follow. Take care of our school and classroom. Listen when someone is talking. Treat everyone with kindness and respect. Raise your hands if you want to answer. Okay. Now, I have here words that we are going to encounter in our discussion. I will read it first, then you will follow. Convert. Measure. Minutes. Seconds. Hours. All girls. Convert. Measure. Minutes. Seconds. Hours. Okay, thank you. Before we start our new discussion, let us have an activity to recap our last topic. Okay, I will read first the directions and then you will follow. Directions. Fill in the blank. The missing value to complete the number sentence. Okay, who wants to answer number 1? Julianne. Teacher, where is the? Okay, this is the marker. Okay, who wants to answer number 2? Yes, Leia. Who wants to answer number 3? Yes, Olive. And who wants to answer number 4? Yes, Julianne. And who wants to answer our last number? Yes, Olive. Okay, let us check your answer. The answer for number 1 is 42. 21 times 2 equals n equals 42, correct? And 24 divided equals 12 is 2, correct? 10 times 6 equals 54, n is 9, correct? 7 times n equals 28 is 4, correct? And 81 divided 9 equals n equals 2, 9. Your answers are all correct. It seems that you truly understand our last discussion. Now, I have here an object. Do you know what is this? Yes, teacher. Okay, what is this object? Yes, Julia. we go to these hands? It's thin and long. Yeah, it's thin and long. Now, what do we call it? Yes, Julian.
Teacher, we call it second hand.
Okay, we call it second hand. Now, in our clock, which number tell a seconds? Who wants to go in the front to point it out? Yes, Olive. Okay, you are correct. Now, how many seconds we have in our clock? Yes, Leia.
60, teacher.
Okay, we have 60 seconds. Now, how about these hands? What do we call to these hands? Yes, Julian.
We call it minute hand, teacher.
Okay, we call it minute hand. Now, how can you describe a minute hand? Who wants to answer? What? How can you describe a minute hand? Yes, Leia.
It is longer than the other hand and thicker than the second hand.
Yeah, correct. It is longer than the other hand and thicker than the other hand. Now, in our clock, which number tell the minutes? Okay, Julian.
This teacher.
Correct. That are the numbers that tell the minute. Now, in our clock, how many minutes we have? Who wants to answer? Yes, Leia.
60 minutes, teacher.
Okay, correct. We have 60 minutes. Now, in what do we call to these hands? This one. Yes, Julian.
Teacher, we call it our hand.
Okay, correct. We call it our hand. Now, how can we describe our hand? Okay, Olive.
It is the shortest hand in our clock.
Okay, correct. It is the shorter hand in our clock. Now, which number tells the number of hours in our clock? Who wants to go to the front? Okay, Julian.
This teacher.
Okay, correct. These numbers tell the number of hours in our clock. Now, how many hours we have in our clock? Yes, Olive.
12 hours, teacher.
Okay, we have 12. How about if this hand or that, our hands evolve again, how many hours we have?
24 hours.
Okay, we have 24 hours. Correct. We have 24 hours. Now, I have here an example. We have 60 seconds. Right? Now, it equals to how many minutes? Now, what we are going to do to know how many minutes we have in 60 seconds.
We divide.
Yes, Olive?
We divide.
Correct. We are going to divide 60 divided by how many seconds we have?
60 seconds.
Okay, we are going to divide 60 by what?
60, teacher.
Okay, correct. We are going to divide 60 by 60 is equal to how many?
One.
Okay, it equal to 1. Now 60 seconds is equal to how many minutes?
1 minute.
If you want to answer, please raise your hand. Okay, understand that, grade 3?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, with 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Now, I have here another example. 180 seconds is equal to how many minutes? Again, what we are going to do to know how many minutes we have in 180 seconds. Yes, Julian?
Teacher, we are going to divide.
Okay, we are going to divide. So 180 divided by, again, how many seconds we have?
60 seconds.
Okay, we are going to divide 180 to 60. What is the answer? Okay, Olive.
3, teacher.
Okay, 3. Now, 180 seconds is equal to how many minutes?
3 minutes.
Yes, Julian?
3 minutes, teacher.
Okay, we have 3 minutes. Now, how can we convert seconds to minutes? Who wants to answer? Yes, Olive?
We divide the number of seconds by 60.
Okay, correct. We are going to divide the number of seconds to 60. Okay, let's proceed to our second time, which is the 60 minute. 60 minute is equal to wait. How about this example? 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? Now, what we are going to do to know how many seconds we have in 1 minute? Yes, Julian?
Teacher, we are going to multiply.
Correct. We are going to multiply. 1 multiplied by, again, how many seconds we have? Yes.
60 seconds.
Correct. We have 60. So we are going to multiply 1 by 60 is what is the answer? Who wants to answer? Yes? Julian.
16, teacher.
Okay, 60. Now, 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? Yes?
60
Olive?
seconds, teacher.
Okay, we have 60 seconds. How about this example? 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes. Equal to how many seconds? What we're going to do to know how many seconds we have in 2 minutes? Yes, Leia?
We are going to multiply.
Correct. We are going to multiply. So 2 multiplied by, again, how many seconds we have? Yes, Olive?
60 seconds.
Very good. We have 60. So we are going to multiply 2 by 60. What is the answer? Leia?
120.
Correct. 120. Now, 2 minutes is equal to how many seconds? Yes, Julian?
120 seconds, teacher.
Okay, correct. Now, how can we convert minutes to seconds? Who wants to answer, Leia?
We multiply the number of minutes by 60.
Okay, correct. To convert minutes to seconds, we are going to multiply the number of minutes by 60. Now, going to divide. Now, 60 divided by how many minutes we have? 60 minutes. Okay, we have 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes divided by 60 is equal to what? Yes, Olive.
1, teacher.
Okay, equal to 1. So, now, 60 minutes is equal to how many hours? Yes, Julian.
60 minutes equals to 1 hour, teacher.
Okay, it equals to 1 hour. I have here another example. I have here, how many? I have here 240 minutes is equal to how many hours? Now, again, what we are going to do to know how many hours we have in 240 minutes.
We divided.
Okay, we are going to divide 240 divided by, again, how many minutes we have in our clock? Yes, Olive?
60 minutes.
Okay, we have 60. So we are going to divide 240 by 60 is, what is the answer? Yes, Julian?
4, teacher.
Okay, 4. So 240 minutes is equal to how many hours? Leia?
4 hours, teacher.
Okay, it is 4 hours. Now, how we are going to convert minutes to hours? Who wants to answer? Yes, Olive.
We divide the numbers of minutes by 60.
Okay, to convert minutes to hour, we are going to divide the number of minutes by 60. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I have here again another example. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Now, what we are going to do to know how many minutes we have in 1 hour. Want to answer? Yes, Julianne?
Teacher, we're going to multiply.
Okay, correct. We are going to multiply. 1 multiply by, again, how many minutes we have? Yes, Olive.
60 minutes, teacher.
Okay, correct. We have 60 minutes. So 1 times 60 is equal to what? Leia.
60.
Okay, correct. It is equal to 60. Now, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Yes, Olive.
We have 60 minutes, teacher.
Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 what is the answer? Yes, Julian.
120, teacher.
Okay, it is 120. Now, 5 days is equal to how many hours? Leia.
5 days is equal to 120 hours.
Okay, correct. It is equal to 120 hours. Now, how can we convert day to hours? Yes, Ollie.
We are going to multiply the numbers of days to 24.
Okay, correct. To convert day to hours is we are going to multiply the number of days by 24. Okay, did you understand our discussion for today?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so since you understand our discussion for today, I'm going to group you into 3. But before that, who can give me an example of group activity rules? Yes, Julianne.
Participate in the group, teacher.
Okay, participate in. Okay, let us read our group activity rules. Participate actively.
Actively.
Stay with your group.
Group.
On task
On task.
all the time.
All the time.
Okay, did you understand our group rules?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now I give you 5 minutes to answer your activity. Once you are done, you can post it on the board. Okay, you are done.
Yes, teacher.
Post it on the board.
Teacher, take. Do you have a texture tape, teacher?
Okay, who is the presenter of group 1? Please proceed to the front. Directions. Use the clock to fill the blank and convert the following from seconds to minutes, minutes to hours, and hours to a day. How many hours shown on the clock? The hours shown on the clock are 12 hours. How many seconds shown on the clock? There are 15 seconds. 180 minutes is equal to 3 hours and 288 hours is equal to 12 days. 300 seconds is equal to 5 minutes. Okay. Who is the? Okay, let us check the group of group 1. How many hours shown on the clock? So it is 12 hours, correct? How many seconds shown on the clock? So it is 15 seconds, correct? 180 minutes equal to 3 hours, correct? 288 hours is equal to 12 days, correct? 300 seconds is equal to 5 minutes, it is correct. Let us give group 1 5 clap. Okay, who is the presenter of group 2?
Directions. Draw a clock that match the given time and convert the following from seconds to minutes, minutes to hours, hours to a day, and vice versa. Number 1 is 20 seconds. And here is the 20 seconds. And number 2 is 8 hours, and we put this at 8 hours. Number 3 240 seconds. How many minutes are there in 48 hours? We multiply for 60 times 48 is equal to 2,880 minutes.
Okay, let us check the group of work of group 2, 20 seconds. So the clock they draw is in 20 seconds. It is correct. 8 hours. The clock they draw is pointed at the 8. It is correct. How many hours are there? 7 days. So it is equal to 168 hours. Correct. How many seconds are in 4 minutes? 240 seconds. How many minutes are there in 14 hours? So 288, 2,888 minutes. This is correct. Let us give group 2 5 clap. Okay, our last group who is the presenter at the group 3. Directions. Create a graph and show on the class the given time and convert the following from seconds to minutes. Minutes to hours, hours to a day, and vice versa. Number 1, 11 hours. So, this is the 11 hours. Number 2, 45 minutes, and this is the 45 minutes. And number 3, 240 seconds equals to 4 minutes. So, we convert 240 seconds by dividing to 60 minutes and it equals to 4 minutes. Number 4, 4 days equals 96 hours. We convert it by multiplying 4 days to 24 hours and it equals to 96 hours. Number 5, 180 minutes equals 3 hours. We converting it by dividing 180 to answer? Yes, Leia.
We can visualize and represent time measure by using clock, which has a hand that represent the second, minutes, and hours.
Okay, very good. Now, how can we convert time measure from seconds to minutes and minutes to hours and hours to a day and vice versa? Who wants to answer? Yes, Julian?
To convert second to minute, we divide the numbers of seconds to 60.
Okay.
And to convert the minute to seconds, we multiply the number of minutes to 60. And to convert minute to hour, we divide the numbers of minutes to 60. And to convert hour to minute, we multiply the numbers of hours to 60. And to convert the hour to a day, we divide the number of hours to 24. And to convert the day to hour, we multiply the number of days to 24.
Okay. Now, again, let us read this on how we are going to visualize and represent time measure and convert time measure from seconds to minutes and minutes to hours and hours to a day. Okay, class, let us read. We can visualize and represent time measure by using clock which has a hands that represent seconds, minutes, and hours. We can convert time measure from second to minute, minute to hour, hour to a day, and vice versa. Okay, to convert second to minute, divide the number of seconds by 60. To convert minute to seconds, multiply the number of minutes by 60. Okay. To convert minute to hour, divide the number of minutes by 60. To convert hour to minute, multiply the number of hour by 60. Okay, last, to convert hour to a day, divide the number of hour to 24. Again, to convert day to hour, multiply the number of days to 24. Okay. Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, do you want to play?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I have here a play. Okay, let us read the mechanics of our play. The teacher will prepare 5 clock and she will spin the wheel with the names of the students, and the name where the spin stop will be going to choose one of the clock. Then he or she will answer the question inside that clock, and we call our play the Clocky Wheel Fortune. Okay, did you understand our mechanics on how we are going to play?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I will equal to how many hours? It is equal to 72 hours. Now next is spin the wheel. Okay, I'm the one who's going to spin the wheel. Okay, Leia again. Sorry. What did you answer? I don't know if it's Julian. Okay, Julian, you are the next lucky winner. Choose one of the clap and answer that question in Thailand. Okay.
My question is 24 seconds is equal to how many minutes? Teacher, my answer is 4 minutes.
Okay, very good. Correct. Wait, 240 seconds is equal to how many minutes? The answer is 4 minutes. Correct. Your answer is correct. Now, who is the next name? Okay, the next name is Olive. You are the third lucky winner. Choose which class do you like and answer the question. Okay, get your class. Read the question. The question is, based on the graph you choose, how many hours we have? The answer is 10 hours. Okay, correct. Your question is, based on the clock you choose, how many hours we have in our clock? You tell is 10 hours. Correct. Did you enjoy our game, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now I prepared a quiz. Get a paper and pencil and let us answer the following question, and I'm going to read the direction. Write the letter of the correct answer on your sheet of paper. Did you understand our directions?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 1. How many hours shown on the clock? Okay, are you done answering?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 2. How many minutes shown on the clock? Are you done, grade 3?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 3. How many seconds shown on the clock? Okay, are you done answering?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 4. On our example of correct conversion of except. Okay, are you done answering?